Hi everybody, welcome back to MarineMax of Westbrook. Today we have a new arrival from the Boston Whaler factory. This is an all-new Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Let's go check it out. As you can see, this boat is made for two things. One, fishing. It's a Boston Whaler. But two, it's also incredibly well outfitted for a family. You have a lot of space in this cockpit. You have two fish boxes on both sides, port and starboard, and you have all of this incredible seating. We have twin Mercury 300 V8 Verados, and of course, it is equipped with a joystick. We have this large aft seat in the back. As you can see, it is full length, so it goes all the way to the back of your knees, which surprisingly really helps when it's a long day out on the water. But another huge benefit you get with this is when it does fold away, you still have cushioning for your thighs when you are fishing. But unlike many other manufacturers, this is complete fiberglass, so you have a much less chance of sun fading and catching a hook. On the port quarter, we have a beautiful live well that will act as a second cooler if you need it. We have a nice jump seat on the starboard quarter, aft facing, really good seat for a spotter if you're doing any water sports. We have our port side multi-position lounger. Right now, the way it's sitting, you're going to be able to fit two people facing aft, another two people facing forward. But if you do want to make it an aft facing chase, you can pop it back just like this. If you want to make it a full sunbed or day bed, pop it all the way down. You can lay flat, use this cushion as a backrest. And then we also have dedicated storage underneath all of these cushions. And then you also have a stainless steel rod in the back. Pop this up. Now you have a forward-facing chase lounge. Operating this multi-position lounger is super easy. Pull up on the trigger and lift. On your port side console, we have a large head. We also have lockable glove box. Now, moving to the starboard side, we not only have a joystick, but we have this nice large SIMRAD. We have the JL audio package. We have trim tabs. We have the SIMRAD VHF. And of course, we got the USB, the 12 volt, everything that you need to go out in the water, keep your devices charged, and get out in style. Let's move up to the bow. This 280 Vantage is outfitted with the filler cushion option. This is super nice if you want to come up here and relax, lay back. You have the fold down armrests as well. This is definitely an awesome place to hang out while you're out on the water. Another great feature that this 280 Vantage has is that it has the full weather curtain set. What the weather curtain set does is you'll get isinglass from the hardtop down to the windshield all the way on the sides, and then you'll have an aft curtain on the back of the hardtop here, and that comes straight down and makes a hard wall right here, which means you have the fully enclosed cockpit area, and then you have all of this open so you can fish out here and the weather curtains are not going to get in your way. If you have any more questions about the Boston Whaler 280 Vantage, please do not hesitate to reach out, give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you on the water.